위장 도구 구호
Composing with AI feels more like producing a session. Normally, when you compose, you go step by step, thinking of phrases, creating melodies, adding chords. But with AI, you have no idea what kind of sound you'll get until everything is generated at once. So, it feels like producing an improvised session. You just set the direction, like, I want this kind of vibe, and then figure out how to make use of what comes out. You're not playing the instruments yourself, but it's all about how you structure the sounds that AI generates. It's kind of like being a DJ, or maybe like a producer in a studio telling musicians, try playing it this way, and then choosing the best takes. When I think about it that way, calling it composing doesn't quite fit. It really is more like session production. That's why it's both exciting and sometimes frustrating, but even the trial and error process is fun in its own way. And then I realized it's kind of like a radio show that accepts demo tape submissions. Imagine a program where the host sets a theme and provides the lyrics. Then listeners submit their compositions. The show plays them, gives feedback like, this arrangement is nice, or maybe tweak this part a little, and then the listeners refine their songs. That's pretty much how AI composition works. You don't create everything from scratch. Instead, you define a theme, let AI generate something, and then you decide how to refine and shape it. The first version might not be perfect, but figuring out how to improve it is part of the process. So in the end, it's not really composing, it's producing. It feels like listening to different demo tapes from various listeners, picking the good ones, and developing them further. That whole process is really interesting, and there are always little surprises along the way. It's starting to feel like I'm running a radio show with AI as my
위장 도구